Ooh, I hit that like pure. Probably the best I could hit it from there. I'm scared of the lip. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to a brand new video. We're gonna try and break 75 today at Victoria Golf Course here in Edmonton in the River Valley. We do got some bad weather coming, you can't tell right now, so the goal might be to survive and actually get 18 holes in. Anyways, we're gonna get ready and head to the first tee. And we are off on the second hole. You know what? A couple tee shots to the right, but we will get that fixed. So far, no rain, even after one. Let's try and make a birdie here on the second. As you can see, play just under the branches here, and we'll see if we can get close for another birdie chance here in the second. Hit a little bit too hard. A little bit too hard on that one, got the top of the ball, but we have a birdie putt. Real short. The putting. A little bit slower than the last time I played over at the Garrison. Anyways, we're 1 over through 2. I think the par 3 is coming up next. I don't want to look for balls just behind the bunker. Try and get over the par. Down. In. Go. Ah. And another shot to the right. I think I might be in the bunker. It's par 5 though. We can try and get close to the green and maybe make a putt for once. Yeah, video does cut out short. It's because of storms. And yeah, once again, please subscribe and like the video. Good breeze. Don't know if you felt confident with that line there. We are back to 1 over. Perfect. Kind of hit it right here a little bit, but you're good. That works. Better than that. So it worked out well from the tee. Let's see if I can capitalize and make a second straight birdie. All right, guys. Any fans here from Alberta or Edmonton? Just let me know in the comments which course you want me to check out. I do have Glen Eagles next month down in Calgary. Looking forward to that. But yeah, leave a comment and a subscription when you do. What a great chance for eagle here, so let's do this. So go down that slope there, I think. Yeah, good. Get over there. Come on. Perfect. Get out of here. Nice shot. Just take it away. Beautiful. Down the hill we come, and let's try and make it 3 in a row. Down. Ooh, smoke that. Just over the green. Look at those clouds. Oh, mine didn't turn either. It stayed straight. Hit a good putt, just no left turn. That's a bogey. And we are back to +1. On to the next. Nice little par 3. Well, rain's here, so that's it.